So I'm putting my contacts in to get ready to do my makeup. And don't judge me how I get them in. It's not the most conventional way, but I have long nails, so I make do with what I have. Alright, so now my face is nice and moisturized. It's so smooth. Look-y want to tie my hair back, but I'm gonna leave it. Next, I'm going to apply my primer. This looks so crazy right now, but it isn't gonna stay like that. Oh. So here are the eyebrow stamps. I'm excited. Stamping it on this way. Can you even see that? Hold on. This way. Alright, so enough talking. Let's do it. A liner pen. So what I'm gonna do is just like color it on to this and then stamp it. Oh, I guess I have to do this kind of fast because if I do it slow, risk it being dry when I put it on my face. I'm kind of scared. All right, it's time. This is it, people. I feel like I should use tweezers. Okay, I'm gonna use a mirror because I can't. Okay, I don't think I set it down all the way because I'm scared. Crap. Okay, I'm gonna color it again. I'm gonna try to use the camera so that you guys can see the action. Oh my god, I have a wing. Oh my god, I just did a wing. Like, wait. What the? Just did that in what? Like 20 seconds? If that. I'm gonna just make this line kind of fade out. I'm not used to seeing myself with a wing. Like, it's so weird. Hopefully the other side is that easy because that just seems too good to be true, honestly. All right, 1, 2, can y'all see? Okay, yep. I always do it so scary the first time. I'm like, all right, that's, I think, as good as I'm gonna get, and I'm gonna just color in the rest. I feel like this one isn't as good as the other one because it's my, I guess, left hand side and I'm right hand dominant. I have wings, and that's the most important part. I have wings, and it did not completely. I'm gonna make this out a little bit longer, and this is what always happens when I do my wing. I always like try to make them look like exact, and I always fuck up. So I'm gonna just stop. Okay. I mean, I don't know, like, I feel like they look pretty damn good, but I don't know if that's just me, like, tooting my own horn. I guess you guys will let me know if I look crazy or what. But yeah, I like this little gadget. You can find it on my sister's website. I'll put the link down below. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup and I'll come back with the finished look. Can we just like acknowledge the fact that I don't even freaking own, if I own, I don't know where it is, any mascara, because I've been getting my lashes done for so long. Like, I don't even remember the last time I bought mascara, and I don't know where it is. Oh, I think I just found one. A little mini backyard bang. But yeah, I miss the lash life. I hate it here. Okay, so I'm super happy with how this turned out. I wasn't expecting to be super successful with the eyeliner stamps because, one, I have really long nails on, and 2, I've never done it before, so I'm excited. Maybe you guys will start seeing me with wing liner more often, because I never did it before because I always messed it up and it would just be frustrating and I didn't feel like practicing. So I'm super happy that this product allowed me to skip the learning phase, I guess, of doing my eyeliner. So I'll definitely be using it again, if not more often. I need to do my makeup more often because I really don't be doing it like that. We're not gonna get into that, but I use my sister's new lip gloss, which just launched on September 22nd, and this one's called Bubbly because it looks like champagne. So I'm really excited about it. It's really cute, like it's kind of like iridescent kind of, and on the lip it's like sheer but still has like some color to it, and it has a chocolatey smell, which is like so yummy. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys have been liking all my videos because I've been trying to be consistent and post one every week. So yeah, next week I don't know what I'm gonna post yet, but it will be up on Monday. Sometimes I forget to post them on Monday and they come up on Tuesday, so turn your post notifications on if you want. You don't have to, but if you want, turn them on so you'll get that notification when I upload. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.